In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to make this really simple and easy mob spawner that will supply you with all the drops you'll need for your single player survival world. I mean, look at all those mob drops. It's only from about 5 minutes. I know it's not exactly the most hyper efficient farm, but it is a pretty decent way to gather a decent amount of mob drops in your survival world. As you will see, it is actually very simple and easy to build. Let's get right to it. First, build a small platform at decent height above the ground to distance it from any places where mobs will spawn. Now we will begin building the spawner itself. First, build the base outline of the tower. Then, extend the base outline of the tower until it's exactly 25 blocks tall above the platform. Now that the tower itself is complete, go to one side and build 7 blocks out. Next, we will build what's kind of like a U-shape around the platform we've just made. If you place 2 buckets of water at the end, the water stream should flow right to the edge and stop. Now copy this on all 4 sides. Next, fill in the spawning platforms as shown. Now that you've filled in the spawning platform, proceed to make the walls and ceiling. The ceiling should only be 2 blocks high to prevent any endermen from spawning. Once you've finished building the walls and ceiling, you can now place in the water streams. Next, we will build the area where the mob drops will be collected. We can add a chest and 4 hoppers that flow into the chest. Then you can continue to expand upon the platform if you'd like, adding a little extra room for a fence, for safety reasons of course, and also an extra space for storage if you'd like. You can also make some maintenance access to the spawning room itself by placing a ladder along the side all the way up, and then at the top, placing a trap door. Lastly, we can begin removing all the torches in the spawning platform, making sure that it's totally dark. If you wait at the bottom for a little bit, mobs should begin spawning shortly. Sometimes a spider or a baby zombie with armor will survive the fall, so be sure you place some slabs on those blocks there to prevent them from attacking you when you're AFK. So that's pretty much the entire spawner. Keep in mind you can also add more layers of dark rooms on top of that so you can spawn more mobs, but 1 tier works just fine as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to leave a like if this was helpful to you, and maybe even subscribe if you want to see more tutorial videos like this.